Afternoon. Good afternoon. Um, Currently going to do a room tour of our room here at Holiday Inn Express, official Disney resort.
But not a Disney brand hotel.
But not, yeah, well, they should know that. But I won't turn the camera around so y'all can see what it looks like. Start out over here. It's got a closet with an iron board, your safe, your iron, extra pillows and blankets on that side. Turn around over here, come into the bathroom. Nice size mirror with a light on it. Yes, y'all can see me. I'm using the gimbal today. I got your toilet. Nope. Dove shampoo. A little bit shower bench. Nice little shower, small shower, but it's nice. The normal toilet. Hand wash and body lotion by Dove. Come on in, up into here. You got your nice little TV. Dresser. Microwave. A fridge that likes to get pulled out, obviously. So Brittany's standing there with it.
And it is an actual fridge, it's not just a beverage cooler.
King size bed. Nightstands on both sides.
With lamps and USBs.
Chair. Open it out to a balcony view. Balcony view of I-4. And very far in the distance, you can see the coasters. You can see the coasters of SeaWorld in the far distance. Little setup for editing and, well, there's Brittany's clothes and my clothes, but editing, different cameras, more tripods, the gimbal tripod, fuel rods, extra chargers, fuel packs for it. Got another scan disc, camera there, the Kodak camera, our DSLR, my iPad for the editing, like I said. We're just got back from Animal Kingdom. I thought we'd do a little room tour.
Before we go out and enjoy.
We may go to Epcot. We're probably gonna chill out here for a little bit. I'm gonna try to get this video edited before we roll out. And I'm going to look and see if we can't find reservations for like Disney Springs, since we're literally right here at Disney Springs.
From lunch before
For
we go over to
Epcot.
Hey, and then what we can do from Disney Springs is go take a
The
bus
bus
to a resort and then just go over to Epcot that way.
Well, I think you can get the Epcot through there, can't you?
I don't know if you
I
can
would go
get
get some
there.
beignets. I could go see what we got at Port Orleans Riverside.
Maybe. But no, because like my idea was like we go to Hollywood Studios first for a little bit, like even though like that's where we're going first thing in the morning. Hop on the Skyliner over to Epcot, and then hop on the monorail over to Magic Kingdom to finish out the night.
Yeah, but
And so that way I get a Skyliner and monorail ride.
so I'm gonna try to get this video edited and sent out. But remember, guys, when you're here at Disney, you may be old.
But you're young at heart.
We get you.